G'day YouTube, welcome to GJBricks. I'm Greg. Now today I'm going to do a very quick tutorial on something I've been asked quite a lot of times. I thought, well, might as well just do a video on it. And that is how to import a BrickLink parts XML file into BrickLink. You'd have thought it would be as simple as clicking import on a file and importing it into BrickLink. But no, it's not that simple. You have to copy and paste it. So what I'm going to do is show you very quickly what you have to do. So up on my screen now, you can see the Lego train wagon parts list. That was from a tutorial I did recently. It's linked up in the corner. I also did the Hogwarts Express tender motorization is another one that's linked up in the corner as well. Now what I'm going to do is very simply download this file to show you I'm not cheating, I'm not changing anything. As we can see, we get a file called Lego train wagon XML. Now, what I'm going to do is just open that file and show you exactly what we have to do to get this to work. So here's the file opened in TextEdit on a Mac, just dead simple. It's an XML file. It's nothing more than that. It tells you what parts they are, what their item number is, how many you need, what color, things like that. I'm going to copy all of that. So select all, copy the whole file. Now in BrickLink, I'm going to go to Upload here, which is where you think, oh, just go and select the XML file. Now, if you try and import an XML file into BrickLink, it doesn't work. As you can see, it supports BSX, LDR, LXF, and IO files, which are all editors, which are all different types of design programs for Lego. What you have to do is click on this not very obvious tab here, which brings up this. And now what I can do is paste that XML file I've just copied. Select what list I want it to go into. So I want to create a new list, and let's call this one, this is my example wanted list. And that's it. Proceed to verify items. And here's our list of parts. Looks good, looks good. Oh, it's fantastic. What a great tutorial. I love this. Wow, I'm going to have to build one of these wagons, or maybe a few of these wagons. Add to wanted list, and now I can go and see my example wanted list. And there's all the parts. And now I can go buy all and get those parts. That's as easy as that. Buy all will then take me into BrickLink and show me all the stores that match certain criteria. So I can see I can get most of my parts from a few stores. It's as easy as that, but you can understand why people have had trouble actually importing that file. So I just thought I'd do this tutorial very quickly. Let me know in the comments if you've got any feedback or I've missed a step in there. I don't think I have. It is that simple, but it's not obvious until you've done it a couple of times, which is strange. Hopefully with Lego having taken over BrickLink, they might change that and make it a bit simpler and fix that issue. Who knows? Anyway, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I do post regularly, and I will see you again very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and here's a couple more videos I think you will enjoy.